Hi viewer, so this is just a video about a new purchase I made. So once again targeting the cheap and maybe not so cheerful. This is basically a dash cam. So it's a dual lens, so it's got the front camera, it's got the rear camera. So just arrived today. It was just under $60, sorry, no, just under $70 including freight. That's $70 New Zealand. So the box is a bit cheap, but yep, that's the box taken care of. So we have instructions. Oh yeah, yep, in English. Very small writing. That's going to be difficult to read, I can assure you. So we've got the rear camera. Oh, that seems relatively basic. Okay, just a little multi-pin plug. Feels like it's waterproof. Nice long lead to lead back to the front end. Okay, so this is our mount. Oh yeah, cool. So lever to provide the suction. Cool. Oh, that's to stick on the back plate. And the charging cable. So it uses very old style connector. Kind of thought I might use something a little bit more modern, but however. Alright, so let's have a look at the unit itself. Well, the first thing I noticed is it's actually metal, so I thought that's pretty cool. So the case is actually metallic. It doesn't come with a TF card, so also a micro SD card. Doesn't seem to be much movement there. Right, okay. So, I mean, the quality seems pretty nice. Okay, mode, menu. I presume I can just probably plug in a normal USB adapter and we'll get some cards on. Just bear with me while I rummage. Okay, so it's asking me to insert an SD card. So I guess well, that seems pretty clear. Guess I won't be able to tell for sure until I get it hooked up to the car. So it's doing a count, warning that there's no card. So let's plug in the external camera and mode. Understood. Ah, there we go. So that's holding the little camera, shining at itself. So I'm presuming there'll be a full screen mode. Oh, there we go, yep. So we can go to a full screen mode with the rear camera that I was holding upside down. Well, it's certainly going to be interesting to see what it's like once it's in the car, but I mean it's looking pretty functional to me at this point. So it's meant to have like a G-Shock, but obviously without the SD card that's not going to do a lot. There's the microphone, so we'll record the internal audio. No indication that there's a microphone at the rear. And what do we have for menu? Not touch screen. Not surprising. Oh yeah. Loop recording 2 minutes. Exposure. Motion detect. Record audio. Date stamp. G sensor. Ah, that was off. So let's turn that on. So we'll go OK. 2G. Park mode. Okay, so I think that means it keeps working when you're parked. So I guess the next thing is I should probably insert, sorry, I think I'm pointing that at myself so you can't see it. So probably insert a SD card, so I'll find a SD card that's not too small, 2 gig, too small, 2 gig, too small.
It's nice, isn't it? It's very nice.
Somewhere around here I think I've got a 16. Oh, that one I do, I can't see. Can't read what size it is, so let's pop that in. Things that you think would be easy. There we go. Right. So now we have the SD card. And if I go doesn't seem to indicate that it's recording. Oh, sorry, I've got the wrong camera on. So we go mode, no file. Right, there we go. So I'll be recording no idea. I think I'll have to play around that with a little bit. Oh, it probably doesn't help that I haven't got the camera wired up. I'm guessing if that's hooked up to 12 volts it'll switch this into reverse mode so you can see the camera, the rear camera, But it seems okay for the price. I think it's pretty good. So what I'll do is I'll chuck this in the car, and I will at a later date upload some video from it just to show the quality and let you know how I feel about it. But to begin with, I'm quite impressed with it. Wasn't expecting what appears to be a metal case. Yeah, for under $70 seems pretty good. So that's it for me. It's just a new toy, and yeah, I'll certainly give an update on what I think of it at a later date. Thank you for watching.